Hey, first graders, we just read the story Good Job, Ben. And in this story, Ben and his mom were going through the town and they saw a lot of community workers at work. Can you make a list of the community workers which they saw? Let's work together to make this list, okay? Or at least get it going. Let me show you some things you'll need to know about making a list. So today is October 27th. We'll want to make sure our date is at the top. Okay. And we're all going to start the same by saying, in Good Job, Ben, we saw a, and then we'll make our list. So, in Good Job, comma, Ben. Okay, and exclamation point too, and that whole thing is the title, so I'm going to underline it. We saw a, okay, now when we're making a list, each time we put one of the jobs we see, we add a comma. Then we'll put another job that we saw and add a comma. And let's have the goal to do at least 3 jobs. If you have more than 3 that you saw, that's fine. We're just going to try to do 3. Okay, so a blank, probably should have written here, a blank. And whenever we're getting to our last one, we're going to start by saying, and a blank. Okay, so that's the format we're going to use in writing a list. Each item in the list gets a comma after it, and our final item in the list gets the word and before it. Okay, so when we are writing a list, we put a comma between each item, and when we get to the end, we say and. So if I was telling who was in my class, I would say, in my class, I have Alaya, comma, Anthony, comma, Ava, comma, Brooks, comma, Destiny, comma, Devin, comma, Dorothy, comma, Eli, comma, Emma, comma, Henry, comma, Matt, comma, Max, comma, Kyoko, comma, Romeo, comma, Sinai, comma, Soane, comma, Sophia, comma, Tough, comma, Victoria, comma, and Vivian. So every time I would add to the list, I would be putting a comma. That's to help us see that each one is separate from the one before. Okay, when we get the end, we put and for the final one, period at the end. Okay, I hope that helps in writing your list of the jobs you saw around town with Ben and his mom. I'm excited to see what jobs you noticed. Have fun.